Okay, so this is just a nice little video of my cockatiel. Say hi, chicken. That's not hi, that's poop. Anyway, this is my cockatiel. This is chicken. She's new. I just got her for my 11th birthday. And even better, she is, I don't know what she is. Just kidding. I know what she is. She's a cockatiel, blah blah blah. But yeah. She is very shy. Oh, hi. She was saying hi. No, she wasn't. She was actually just, no, never mind. These are some, not very many sunflower seeds left in here. Don't worry, I haven't only given these to, chicken. But anyway, I'm getting off topic. You know, the sunflower seed. Nice. And then, she will eat out of my hand. See? She just grabbed it. Now she's eating it. So yeah, that's my cockatiel. And soon, I will be doing a tour of maybe my entire room. I don't know. You've only seen this specific part. We just changed a little bit. Ever since that Don't Mario Speak to Me video that everybody hates. But anyway, yeah. This is just my cockatiel chicken. Really cute, I guess. And she has pooped again. Now she dropped her something. You know, that was very rude of you. Oh well. But yeah. That is just... That's my cockatiel. Sorry that the quality sucks for me or whoever the heck is gonna see this. But yeah.